So one of our signature cocktails that we've got here on the list that we've got the guys really well trained up on is the Chilli'd Naranja Margarita. So in the margarita, we have a tequila, we have a triple sec, which is an orange liqueur. We have a touch of agave syrup, so a slight sweetener, and a fresh lime juice, which we source from a local Victorian supplier, and a touch of chili salt. So first up, get a little bit of ice in our cocktail tin. We want to do 2 parts tequila. Now this tequila Arquitecto I sourced from a local Victorian supplier called Proof & Company. We use the Pierre Ferrand Dry Curacao or triple sec. And we want to do 1 part of the sweet liqueur. So we just use a little bit of agave syrup instead of a normal sugarcane syrup. And we use a little twist of chili as well. And then we want to pop 1 part or 30 mils of lime juice. And we're going to shake this up and blend all those flavors nicely together. Now I've got my pre-prepared chili salt rim glass. I'm going to fill that glass with ice. You want to strain the liquid into the glass through a fine strainer to get rid of all those smaller ice particles. So all about sustainability here at Trawool. So I dehydrate all of our limes and fresh chilies at the end of each week to make sure they last me for the next few months to garnish drinks. And here you have the Chilli'd Naranja Margarita.